So this is the nether. Time to escape! That was close. But I am just excited about this. Always use cutter with precaution and adult supervision. Glue the pieces together using hot glue, again with adult supervision. Don't forget to like and hit the we will be covering first the underneath part with black colored paper. We are making a separate structure of carton, which is a little bit complicated. We will prepare round hooks using GI wires like this. Now we will punch 9 holes equally distributed. We will insert the round hooks one by one. We will bend the 2 ends flat on the other side as an anchor. Put hot glue to have it firmly attached. Don't forget to like and hit the now to put a hole at the top center for another round hook. Now we prepare the details on all 5 surfaces excluding the underneath. Each square is a 2 by 2 centimeter. Now we will glue them on the cube. Left, right, back, top, front. Now we will be making the rectangular cube feet. For sealing it up, we put an extended round hook with an open end and secure firmly with a glue. The 9 pieces are made, we can glue the details in the surface. We affix the separate structure, complete with 9 hooks. Finally, we will hang them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no! He's waiting for me! Thank you for watching!
Don't forget to